Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I have a quick project share. I made it's a smaller doily wall hanging than I sometimes make. Not that much smaller, but it is smaller. So I wanted to just show you what I made. And I used this beautiful angel image, and I'm going to call it Angel in Blue because of the blue she's wearing and the flowers she's holding. And I just love this image, and I wanted to use it on a wall hanging. So I started off with this fabric and then crochet doily, and then I covered it with another doily because the part underneath, you can see a little bit of color. It's orange and brown, and it just really didn't, the colors didn't go, the embroidered part. So I did cover it up with another doily, and then I used these beads, and I don't know why I used these, but I think it was just because they gave off some color, and I don't even remember where I got them, but I just thought it went well with the wall hanging. So let's see, I added a large doily on top of the embroidered one, and then another doily on top of that because I wanted it to, have some substance, and there's some batting in between, and then there's batting behind the image. And then I just started, let's see, actually I started with the dangles. So I used this bluish gray, and on top of that is this one here that I added rhinestones to. And then there's this leafy one. And then under that, there's this one here. I love these. I got these from the site that we don't mention on YouTube. And then I used 2 pieces of this trim here. It's a fringe trim, but it's a, crisscross fringe trim. And I used that on the back. And then I just started to embellish on top of the dangles. I did add a collar, and it's got the dangles here, the pearl dangles. I guess it looks like a wedding. I don't know if the collars, though, you consider them, they're not wedding appliques, so I guess I'll just call it a dangle collar. I added this flower here. Let's see, this flower here I think I got off of one of the eBay sites. And then this flower, these two are 2 different, they're 2 separate. This I don't know, I think it's organza. It's a flat organza flower. There was nothing in the middle, so I added this flower with the rose here on top of that. And then somebody had sent me this blue trim, and I just cut out the individual flowers from it. And then I added these satin and pearl flowers in the middle of that. And then this is another trim from my stash. It's like a tulip trim, but I cut them out individually and placed them, going around, excuse me, the image. And then at the bottom of each one, I placed one of my clay flowers. And then behind this flower here is that the leaf trim that I've used before. I just love these leaves, and some I even cut to just kind of fit. And then this is a little flower trim here that I had, it's a snippet, and so I added the tiny clay flowers in the middle of these little they're like daisy flowers. And so that's it. That's really all I did. And I really like how it came out. I like, there's some sparkle to it. There's some bling in there. And I like the white with the blue and the cream. So that's it. If you'd like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I will be back again soon with another project share. I made another large doily album, and this time I used fairies, I think it is. I used fairies from one of the entries to my image challenge. So that should be out in the next few days. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.